Hey home chefs, today we're going to go in the kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to cook tri-tip in the oven. This oven roasted tri-tip bakes really quickly and it's super juicy and tender inside. You can start with either seasoned or you could season your own steak. Alright, so I'm just going to walk you through it. So you need to heat a large cast iron skillet or another safe pan to medium-high heat on the stove, and you add the olive oil, and once it's hot, you add the tri-tip, and you're going to sear all sides of the tri-tip. You can get specific directions at sipbitego. And then you're going to take a peek to make sure the bottom is completely brown and seared, and then you're going to make sure to do the edges, and then you're going to plop it into the oven to bake at 425 degrees for like 12 minutes per pound. The exact time of how long to cook it will vary based on your desired temperature of the steak. This one was cooked to about 135 or 140 because I like a more medium rare tri-tip. Just to note, you saw me using a temperature thermometer that goes in the oven, so I knew exactly when the steak was done. And when it came out, I have this really great recipe for compound butter with garlic and herbs that you see that I put on top. You can find that compound butter at sipbitego. It is really delicious, and you can make it in a huge batch, so you can put it on potatoes, pastas, steaks, vegetables, you name it. So anyways, there's actually a really specific way to cut tri-tip steak, and as you can see, I went in kind of two different directions here. I just want to show you exactly what a little diagram of cutting tri-tip steak looks like so you can get an idea, because there's actually two different grains in each tri-tip steak, which is why you slice it in half pretty much down the middle, and then you find the grains and you slice against them for each half. So anyways, get the full recipe for cooking tri-tip steak in the oven at sipbitego. If you learned something new, give this video a like, and until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!